Hello everyone, it's Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Google Play Store. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, you have to open the settings. So normally swipe up until you get the settings. You can also search here by typing settings and choose it. And you will see the exact this kind of interface. Just scroll down and you will get another option, apps. Click on it. Click on manage apps. And now on the top right corner, click on this three-dot bar and choose show all apps. Now you have to search here Play Store, or you can scroll down until you get Google Play Store. So here you can see that this is the app. So I'm going to choose it and clicking on this enable button. That's it. We have successfully enabled Google Play Store. From now on, if we search here Play Store, we'll see Google Play Store on our phone. So that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.